Is Uphold a legit exchange? That's the question many of you are asking, and it's a critical one in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency and digital assets. We're talking about where you put your hard-earned money and whether that platform is secure, reliable, and trustworthy. You've probably seen Uphold pop up in your searches for crypto exchanges, perhaps alongside more established names. Its unique multi-asset platform, allowing seamless conversion between various cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, and even precious metals, certainly sounds appealing. But does it deliver on its promises, or is it another platform to approach with caution? Let's dive into what makes an exchange legit and then apply those benchmarks to Uphold. First and foremost, regulation and compliance are key. A legitimate exchange operates within legal frameworks, adhering to anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. This not only protects users but also signals a commitment to transparency and accountability. Secondly, security measures are paramount. We're talking about robust encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for a significant portion of assets, and a clear track record of defending against hacks and cyber threats. A history of security breaches or a lack of transparent security protocols should raise red flags. Thirdly, user experience and customer support play a vital role. A legitimate exchange should be user-friendly, with intuitive navigation and clear fee structures. And when things go wrong, or you have a question, responsive and helpful customer support is indispensable. Finally, we look at the platform's reputation and longevity. What are other users saying? Are there widespread complaints about frozen accounts, slow withdrawals, or hidden fees? How long has the exchange been operating, and what's its overall standing in the crypto community? Now, let's put Uphold under the microscope. Uphold Incorporated is indeed a regulated financial services company, registered with FinCEN, Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, in the United States. This is a significant green light, indicating they operate under federal oversight. They also comply with AML and KYC regulations, which means you'll need to verify your identity, a standard practice for legitimate exchanges. In terms of security, Uphold employs industry-standard practices, including 2FA, strong encryption, and regular security audits. While no exchange is entirely immune to risk, Uphold has a generally solid security track record. They also hold a significant portion of user funds in cold storage, further enhancing security. When it comes to user experience, Uphold's interface is generally considered straightforward, especially for those looking to diversify across different asset classes. Their anything-to-anything trading model is a unique selling proposition, allowing for direct conversions between various assets without needing to go through a base currency like USD or Bitcoin. Customer support, like with many exchanges, can be a mixed bag depending on the issue, but they do offer various channels for assistance. Finally, Uphold has been around since 2013, giving it a decent tenure in the relatively young crypto space. While you'll find scattered complaints, as you would with any large financial platform, there aren't widespread, systemic issues that would suggest it's not legitimate. They have generally positive reviews regarding their service and the ease of use. So, to answer the question, is Uphold a legit exchange? Based on its regulatory compliance, security measures, longevity, and generally positive user sentiment, the answer leans strongly towards yes. It's a legitimate platform that offers a unique approach to digital asset management. However, like with any financial platform, it's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks involved with cryptocurrency, and only invest what you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.